I'm Graham Barnwell, the Marketing Manager for DEUTZ FAHR UK and Ireland. This is David Jefferson, our Product Specialist. Today we're going to introduce to you the new DEUTZ FAHR 6 Series. The 6 Series is a complete new range of tractors from DEUTZ FAHR, from the mid to higher horsepower sector from 155 to 226 horsepower. Comprising of 3 ranges, Power Shift, RC Shift and TTV, which is our CVT version. So the tractor we're going to show you around today is our mid-horsepower model in this range, 6165, which is 171 horsepower, and this is a TTV model with a CVT transmission. The first feature on the new 6 Series is the new front axle suspension system with longer control arm, with the rams now positioned in the front of the axle, and what that gives us is an anti-dive and an anti-bounce system, which overall enhances the ride both on the road and in the field. We have our comfort pack, which comprises of auxiliary valves, 7-pin socket, isobus mounted at the front, 3-pin socket, and neatly tucked away down the side of the front linkage is the external controls for lift and lower. The system itself folds away quite nicely and is compact, contained within the frame of the tractor. The system also comes with an optional integrated front PTO. Front linkage also has position control capability. The lever down the side of the unit can adjust to either single or double acting or lock the system off altogether. This gives us a lift capacity of up to 5.5 tonnes. Under the bonnet we have easy access to our new cooling group, easy for service and maintenance operations. Our new cooling group comprises of a series of aluminium radiators, making it a much lighter construction, and it comprises all the main cooling groups for the engine, transmission and intercooler for turbo. For service, it's an easy operation. From one lever, the whole cooling group opens as one piece. Gives enough gap between the radiators to get an airline and clean sufficiently for a quick and easy operation. The new DEUTZ Tier 4 Final engine comprises of a diesel particulate filter, or DPF, which is a passive system. Different to other systems on the market, cleans itself within work, it doesn't need any manual process or downtime, is compliant to Tier 5 regulations, so there was no need for any change to system or hardware in the engine. It's a basic software change to meet that compliance. The new catalytic converter arrangement is positioned lower down, so it's not encroaching on the visibility from the cab. We have easy access to our battery terminals with quick connectors as well, both for the negative terminal and also the positive terminal here. We have fuel fillers on both sides of the tractor, which when filled balance both tanks together, and we have a nice easy identifiable tank for AdBlue. New feature is the disconnection between the engine cowl and the cab, which gives us obvious benefits in terms of reduced heat, noise and vibration. The new 6 Series is fitted with the MaxiVision cab across all ranges in Power Shift, RC Shift and TTV, and that can be fitted with either mechanical cab suspension or optional pneumatic cab suspension.
Hi, I'm Dave Jefferson, Product Specialist, and I'm going to introduce you to the MaxiVision cab with our Maxicom armrest, our eye monitor and our high level cluster. We've got our Maxcom armrest, which is where you would carry out all your pre-settings. We have our PowerCom joystick, where you would use your adjustments as you're going across the field. We have our eye monitor display, which allows for deeper settings and visualization of your headland management and your isobus and your guidance systems. And you have your work display, which is an eye level display working across the field. The hydraulic controls are controlled by operation of lift and lower here for the rear linkage. The rear dial here looks after rear linkage settings in its lower position, and the other presets for rate of drop and maximum height are controlled on these 4 here. We have further settings available through our eye monitor touchscreen for our rear linkage and independently for our front linkage. All 6 Series come with a 4-speed PTO as standard. That is 1000 or 540 in either normal or economy speeds. We have our new Info Center Pro with both analog dials for engine speed and forward speed and fuel gauges, working light control panel, elements here for adjusting the mirrors and our climate control.
We have electrically adjusted and heated rear mirrors and an option of a heated rear screen. Rear linkage capacity of up to 10 tonnes, coupled with up to 170 litre a minute hydraulic output at eco engine speed. We have a standard Power Beyond feature. As an option, we have our isobus socket, and next to that we have our air braking couplings. We have new lighting groups, the neatly styled bonnet lights integrated into the front grille, the front linkage compliant headlights on top of the indicator stalks and LED light package. And above that we have the antenna for our precision farm system Agri. Twin flashing beacons, both as standard or as LED. So we have the new DEUTZ FAHR 6 series, all the features and benefits that go with it, which are available on all models, all ranges, power shift, RC shift and TTV. For more information you can contact your local dealer or go online at deutzfahr.com.